Crows out here early this morning.
Caw, caw!
So I made a phone call. I spoke to John Fitzgerald of Apex Parks Group. Consulted with Tom Chrissy, not only my best friend, but my business associate, about the numbers, about how to put this deal together. And with a lot of hard work, with help from the county and Don and everyone, it really was something we were able to put together. But it was because of the people. It's because of you guys. It's because of you guys. It's because of the employees in this park. I mean, it's the most amazing team of individuals you can ask for. I've made some of the most amazing friends since I've been here. We didn't rehearse, obviously. That way. All right. I hope to see each and every one of you. I know it's not 11, but let's go inside.
Crying, you're crying.
But it was really good.
Thought it was a chance
I feel excited. I feel like I'm ready to run.
I need you to smell it, please.
What is this? Unlock your treasure here. All right, so you get a key. Makes sense. Unlock some treasure.
Another, I don't know what it is. It's called
We made it! The crow lives.
Phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. And then
Love to see a Chrono couple.
Taco time!
Already. Get her a hot dog. Yes. That was so good.
Way to go, Chick! You're doing great! Good job!
Woo-woo! Okay, so my next song will be from the musical Annie Warbucks. It was a sequel to Annie, and it is called.
That one that was like, oh, I hope you have real science about culture. This is like, you know what? At this point, to not know how to play music, no, you got a good hole right there, kiddo. Look at the fishies.
Tilt-a-whirl! All right, we're headed to see the new Indiana Beach Historical Center. Ooh, I like that rainbow shirt.
Really cute. Nice.
I feel like we should have.
information, but I don't participate in it.
Oh, man. Thinking I'm doing pretty good right now.
Gotta win this for Lily. They're so pretty.
Too bad they didn't have the pumpkins this time.
Well, I got overzealous at the
We're
beginning.
gonna do the sea dragon.
Right? You need a nap.
Ski ball 2.0.
No.
Photo.
This is not baseball. Like this. Put it in your hand.
She likes this.
Hey!
She a little aggressive. All right. Okay, we're having some ice cream trouble right now. The ice cream is too thick for the adults. And we need a knife to cut through it.
Pretty cool. That might be handy in your little bag, in your fanny pack, Caroline. Fancy chair for Lily.
We're trying.
There you go.
Reservations are
Thank you very much. You enjoy that.
That's cute. We ride. They see me rolling. They hate it.
Here it comes. Here it comes.
From their grave. They call me Grim Reaper. I preside over this god of souls.
All right, pressure's on. Oh! Oh! Dang!
Partnered with Frank Sinatra before Frank Sinatra was a big deal.
No, we did not put her in timeout. She put herself in timeout. I don't know why. I think we've lost her. It's been too hot out, too much sun. She's slowly losing it. You can see the crazy behind her eyeballs. Hi, baby. Hi. All right. We just got back. Hey, I got you guys something. You want to see? Do you want to see what's in here? Look it. Look it. There's that. Hey, Belle. There's one more. Look it. It's a little jellyfish. Lily! Arr. Oh. Oh, she loves her jellyfish.
She's so proud.
You're welcome. I know you love it. You love it too.
Greasy grease.